Bob and Brad Crew. The Bob and Brad Crew.
Hi there, folks. We're the Bob and Brad Crew. I'm Mike.
And I'm Liz.
And together we review products related to your health, fitness, and overall well-being.
In our unbiased opinions.
Decrease swelling and leg pain with the elevating leg wedge pillow. So if you've ever watched Bob and Brad, you know that Brad absolutely loves this thing, and so does Bob. And Brad actually uses his all the time for some of his back pain issues.
And Bob's wife is using it right now. We had to borrow it from her.
Yeah, we had to steal it from her. So the
right.
price on this is $41.97. There are lots of brands, lots of different variations of them.
Yep.
They all work, so just pick which one you think is in your price range and you think works the best for you.
They vary from like $25 to about $40, so
yeah,
there's the range in there. The biggest selling point is that it's really for helping to elevate your legs to relieve leg pain, back pain, hip, knee, anything like that, along with other benefits that we're going to talk about too.
Yeah, so some of the pros is it helps reduce swelling. So people that have like lymphedema, it can improve your blood circulation as well because it has this gentle incline built into it.
And yeah, it works best too, like laying down, obviously, so that you can get your leg higher than your heart.
Yep.
It's a breathable material. You'll not get too hot. I know some people, that's kind of a concern. Are you going to get too warm, especially if you have covers over the top or something? But it is a breathable material, so that shouldn't happen.
Yeah, it's not going to be any worse than just using a bunch of pillows.
Right.
So it works really well for positioning various body parts, such as your legs. That's the primary use for it. It can also help with back pain, hip pain, or knee pain to decrease any discomfort you have from those.
It also comes with a removable cover. Most of them do, I should say. This one is more of a breathable one, but they have even like a thicker one that goes over the top. We have an older model. This one's not really memory foam, I wouldn't say, but the one that we're specifically talking about is more of a memory foam. So it does come with a removable cover, and it's so it's easy to wash, and then it's hypoallergenic, which is also a nice feature.
Yeah, it's kind of nice for people that have edema, because sometimes with edema you can get weeping edema, where it actually bodily fluids come out through their legs because they're so swollen, and that can really get these things dirty. So it is nice to have a removable cover. If your one has more weeping, I would suggest putting maybe like towels or like maybe even a plastic garbage bag over this, because having that plastic liner will help it from absorbing the water. Obviously, if it gets through the outer layer, the foam is going to absorb that, and that's hard to wash. So just a FYI. It is made with a high density foam, so it's built to last and hold its shape for years. I think Bob's had this one for like 5-8 years. It's lasted. We've given it to patients.
It around.
Yeah, when a patient needs it, we let them use it. They give it back. We clean it up. We have numerous ones, so they're a great investment if you need them.
They work really well for people like post-surgery, also for pregnant women or even after pregnancy. A lot of swelling occurs with that, so it's not uncommon to use something like this to help with that.
Yeah, you would know that.
Yeah. I didn't have too much swelling, but I know it's very common.
Some of the cons, obviously, you're going to be paying $42 for a pillow. If you have a lot of pillows at your house and you can position them well, go ahead and use normal pillows. You can stack them up right. It is just easier to use this. Like my girlfriend,
you don't have to deal with the pillow sliding either.
Yeah, my girlfriend had knee surgery a few years ago, and we used this for months, and it was great. When we're done, we just brought it back. But yeah, I mean, if you just have like a really bad ankle sprain that's going to get better in a month, you're probably not going to want to invest in this.
Yeah,
but
this would be more like a chronic type of thing going on for you. Reviews, it had 4.5 stars and 7,616 reviews, so it's got a lot of use.
Yeah, it's rated pretty well. You want to show quick how it works?
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty self-explanatory, but you typically just want to lay down, get it in a comfortable spot, and then you can either bring it. So typically your buttock is on the edge of it here, and then your legs just go up and elevate. If you need to put more pillows on top of it, you certainly can. This is also great to put ice on it as well, because then you get the elevation and the cold to help decrease any pain and swelling. So great product if it's something you need or you have a lot of swelling. I think that's about it on this thing.
That's it.
Subscribe to us.
Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and hit the bell for notifications when we put up a new video.
Thanks.
Thank you.
The Bob and Brad Bob and Brad Crew. The Bob and Brad Crew. The Bob and Brad